this video, guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how we can find all AI tools just in one website. Okay, I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step. So let's get started. As you can see, in this website I can find all AI tools that are trending. Okay, as you can see over here, Midjourney, Notion AI, and if you scroll down you can find a right full, you can find any chat GPT over here, you can find any AI tools you want that are trending. As you can see, if you scroll down you can find a lot of AI tools. So what you need to do to find all AI tools in just one website, just go to Google, search for this website, search for Let's View AI. Okay, click on the first link over here, AI tools, Let's View AI tools, and you will be directly in this website over here, and you can find any AI tool that you are searching for. This website will give you all AI tools that you want. You just need to click on the tool. For example, if I click on midjourney.com, as you can see, it will take me to the Midjourney website, as you can see over here. Okay, so it's really easy to use and simple, and it's for free, of course. Grammarly and Copy AI. So that's how you can find all AI tools in just one website. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.